financial independence impact the rest of your life, the other areas of your life? Working with women over the last 30 years, let me tell you, there is a domino effect that when you get yourself all over your financial life, when you unlock that financial confidence, it just about unlocks every other part of your life. And I wanted to show it in, we look at these circle of life, if you like, where we've got our physical health, we've got our personal social well-being, we've got the career and the work, we've got family, spirituality, of course, the intellect and the mind. When you unlock your financial confidence, it unlocks the confidence in every part of your life, because it's a journey, it's a process. And all of a sudden, when you get one win and then another win leads to another win, and there are going to be times when you're going to hit the wall. I have 100 times over. Have I given up? Absolutely not, because you don't do that in life, right? You don't do that in any other part of your life, so why should you do it here? And you work through those blocks, and you have some wins and some losses, but you continue down the path. And what you don't notice as you're going through this journey is how much you change as a person, how much you grow, how much confidence it builds when you get those wins, when you learn from those roadblocks. And then what happens is that growth that comes through all of those experiences in your financial life just ripple all the way through your other parts of your life, and you will see a change in you as a person. So make no mistake about this. Your financial independence and the ability to get your confidence around that impacts every other part of your life.